The veterans have fought for over 3 decades for one rank, one pension. Well, when Finance Minister P. Chidambaram finally announced one rank, one pension, soldiers, sailors, airmen and veterans were elated. But the devil was in the detail. By the government's own admission, one rank, one pension is to cost the exchequer some 2,000 crore rupees. The minister set aside just 500 crores for 2014-15. And the implementation is with prospective effect and not retrospective effect. The veterans have sought a clarification now and intend to take this battle forward.
Veterans have struggled for one rank, one pension for over 3 decades. On Friday, the Congress Party Vice President Rahul Gandhi took up their cause and promised the veterans good news was in store.
एक बहुत ऐतिहासिक कदम उन्होंने उठाया है। जवानों को ये लगना चाहिए कि उनका पूरा समर्थन उनकी सरकार करती है। ये हमारा सेंटिमेंट है।
But the veterans are clearly not satisfied. The government insists it has worked to narrow the gap in the pension of ex-soldiers in the past, and the finance minister's declaration in the interim budget was only walking the last mile.
One rank, one pension has been a long journey. It's been a journey of the last 5 years. Over the years, the pensions have been increased. Even last year, the pensions have been increased. 2/3 of this journey the gap has been filled in the last 5 years. This was only 1/3 of it.
Veterans fear this may just be a poll sop and warn the government of a bigger agitation if their demands are not fully met on ground.
If they don't meet it fully, we are not going to take the medal back till that time. We will come back on the street with greater vehemence.
The devil is in the detail. According to a government committee report, one rank, one pension is to cost the exchequer 1,600 crore rupees approximately annually. The finance minister P. Chidambaram has only earmarked 500 crore rupees for this. The questions that ex-servicemen are asking in an election year, is this just a poll sop, a lollipop that's been handed over to them? The sting is in the tail. Ex-servicemen warn of a bigger agitation if their demand is not met completely. With cameraman Manoj Sangwan in Delhi, Gaurav Sawant for Headlines Today.